Welcome back to the Chico's Chop Chop channel. So in today's episode, I was working on this right here. Too Fast for You Racing Big Noah. He calls her Heavy D. This is this race truck. We just did the nitrous on it. So basically I put all the, he did the install, all this. And I went and wired it all in for him. She pretty fast, sounds real good. You know, we just did some rigging as nitrous button right here on the factory steering wheel. I don't know if you can see it right there. I mean, she sounds real good, I'll tell you that. This is just temporary. He's gonna be putting that as like extension where it's flexible in case he got to turn or whatnot, but that's just so we can get it right for this weekend. He's going to take it out to the racetrack. See them nice racing tires on there. C10 757 Virginia. Call her Heavy D. Go ahead and start it up for me. You want to go ahead and listen to this thing right here, man. Sounds good as hell, boy. Probably didn't have it grounded right. Yeah. Little small block action, nitrous motor. Supposed to be taking it out this weekend, so I'm gonna see if he could go ahead and get some videos of it, because I ain't gonna be able to go. I'm gonna be working. She'll rust bucket, but she'll do her thing. Little rust bucket, but she do what she does, you know what I mean? All right, man, catch you on that next one.